It is, however, with real sadness that I can report that 3 people have unfortunately been confirmed deceased at this scene, and that's despite the best efforts of emergency services. That is 2 males aged 31 and 49 and a female aged 23. A further 3 casualties were removed from the scene and taken to hospital. Can I just take a moment to extend my personal and my heartfelt condolences to the families impacted by this real tragedy. One can only imagine the real sense of shock and grief that is engulfing those families at this particular time. I can confirm that officers have now spoken to the next of kin of all those families, and our specially trained family liaison officers will be supporting the families through the investigation moving forward.